Okay, lahat ng problema, ulit, taas kamay, lahat na may problema. Listen to me guys, this is a word for you. This is a prophetic word of the Lord. Whatever that problem is, anumang problema yan, that problem is not meant to defeat you. It's not meant to defeat you. It's just a distraction. Kasi ayaw ni Satan na mag-move ka to new levels, kaya ginagamit niya ang mga problema para isipin mo madidefeat ka. Kapatid, matagal nang pinagtagumpayan ng Panginoon ang anumang pinagdadaanan natin ngayon. All of these things, God is fighting for you. God is on your side. He is with you. When you walk through the valley of the shadow of death, you should not be afraid, for God is with you. When you walk through the fire, you will not be burned. When you walk through the water, you will not be drowned. You are already victorious. That problem is not meant to defeat you. It is meant to distract you. Don't give Satan the luxury na magpa-distract tayo na magpa-distract. Ang purpose ng problema na yan, i-distract ka lang. Magpatuloy ka sa Panginoon kahit mahirap ang problema. Sing in the middle of the storm. Worship God in the middle of the storm. Ay, hindi mo na ako maglilingkod sa Panginoon kasi marami akong problema. Kapatid, serve God in the middle of your storm. Serve God while you are still crying. Huh. Ato, masakit to. Para sa inyo to, masakit. You are limited not because you are defeated. You are limited because you are distracted. Distracted tayo ng